Anytime you replace 4 on a common rail, I always recommend you do the module as well, because when you have a bad glow plug, the high resistance causes resistance in the module, and sometimes it'll short out the little solder joints in there. Got a 2014 Jetta TDI. Customer was trying to do some preventative maintenance, replace all the glow plugs. Unfortunately, they went with aftermarket plugs, and now they have fault codes, having some issues. So we're going to put factory plugs in, a new module. Start with the glow plugs. Air blow out all the holes. 12mm deep 1/4-inch socket.
How the glow plugs look?
They look new, just like you said they were.
Adios. Your torque spec?
Yep. Torque spec, 18 Newton meters. Most important part, check your harness, make sure you got nothing messed up in there.
Checking the harness, make sure they're clean.
Yep. You really want to hear the little click when you put them on.
Kind of like a nice spark plug.
Yeah. Them all pushed down. Good to go there. Anytime you replace 4 on a common rail, I always recommend you do the module as well, because when you have a bad glow plug, the high resistance causes resistance in the module, and sometimes it'll short out the little solder joints in there.
Oh, because we did the same on mine.
Yeah. About the battery and tray while we're in here, because we're replacing the transmission cooler.
10 mil for the battery.
The module is right here. Unplug it. These things have a hardware and software level, so you want to just make sure you have the updated part. You don't want to replace with the same hardware and software. Right back.
$13 for the clamp, $10s for the terminals.